So in today's video, I am going to show you how to maximize the benefits of taking collagen peptides. I'm going to show you how to maximize your hair benefits, your skin benefits, your joint and your gut benefits. You don't want to miss this one, so keep watching. Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Shantina. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone you feel that may benefit from the information that I'm going to share with you today. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I have 3 videos on my channel right now today that I've done on collagen peptides. The last one I did was last week. I gave you guys a 1-year update as to what is going on with me and the collagen peptides, and I also shared with you guys that I had a downward spiral while taking the collagen peptides. And so in today's video, I want to show you how I turned it all around and regrouped and actually maximize the benefits of taking collagen peptides. And I want to show you how I bounced back from that bad experience. Okay, so let's start with hair. You are going to get shinier, stronger, thicker, just all around healthier hair if you add vitamin C to the collagen peptides. All you got to do is add vitamin C. You can get vitamin C in a pill form, you can get vitamin C in a powder form, and also you can get a multivitamin that has a high concentration of vitamin C in a liquid form. And the liquid vitamin that I like to take is this NutriBurst. I know you guys heard all about NutriBurst, but look, this stuff is really good. It has 133% of concentrated vitamin C in this, and also one capful is the equivalent of eating 12 salads, I believe, 10 or 12 salads. So this liquid vitamin is really good in conjunction with the collagen peptides. It really maximized and boost the effects of the collagen peptides. You gotta add those vitamins. You gotta add that vitamin C. You also want to be drinking plenty of water. Okay, you want to be drinking that 8 ounces, 8 glasses a day to flush out your body. Okay, you want to drink plenty of water, and you want to avoid as much sugar as you possibly can, because that would just pretty much be counterproductive of what you're trying to do, you know, like the results that you're trying to get. That would just be counterproductive. Everybody knows that sugar would take you all the way down. Okay, so now the skin. While you're taking the collagen peptides, while you're taking the liquid vitamin with the high concentration of vitamin C, you also want to have a really good skincare regimen. You want to have a skincare regimen that has retinol in it, and you want to have a good skincare that has hyaluronic acid in the ingredients. So you also want to add a sunscreen to your skincare regimen, because everything that you do at night, like with the retinol and the hyaluronic acid, you want to put some sunscreen on in the morning or when you go out the next day, because if you don't, the sun would just pretty much destroy what you just did for yourself, for your skin the night before. So sunscreen, very important. So keep in mind, everything that you put in your body is definitely going to show up and show out in your skin. So coming up, I'm going to give you some really good information on how to maximize your gut health and how to maximize your joint health while using collagen peptides. So stay tuned for that. But first, I want you to stop, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave me a comment below and let me know if you are going to be using collagen peptides. If you already use collagen peptides, I want to know the experience that you're having, and if you're doing any like extra things to maximize the benefits of taking collagen peptides in your experience or on your journey. So now for the joints, you want to make sure that you are doing your stretching morning and night. You want to make sure that you're exercising with light weights. You want to make sure you are drinking plenty of water, okay? This process is going to release the free radicals that is in your body and in your bloodstream, which is going to cause the collagen peptide to work even better, giving you more lubrication and more freedom and more stability to your joints. So now for your gut, you're definitely going to want to change your eating habits, okay? You're going to have to eat foods that are low in fat, low in sugar, but very high in fiber. Of course, drink plenty of water to flush the system, okay? And you're going to want to do a detox on your body. You're going to want to do a detox no less than, I'm going to say, depending on how you eat, you're definitely going to want to detox your body at least twice a week, or no less than 4 times a month. I detox my body every other day, and the detox that I choose to use is this TLC IASO tea, the lemon flavor. Again, I know you guys seen or heard all about this. That stuff really works. It really works. It get in there and it just removes all the toxins that's just sitting in your gut, okay? Collagen peptides just going to get in there and just restructure your stomach lining. It's going to help with your digestion even better. Like, detoxing is definitely going to maximize the benefits of taking collagen peptides. Detox, collagen peptide, match made in heaven. So the thing that I want you to take most from this video is you can't live off of collagen peptides alone. You are going to have to help it, okay? You're going to have to change your lifestyle, change your eating habits, work out just a little bit more, have a good skincare regimen. You're going to have to do those things to get the maximum benefit from taking collagen peptides. These are the things that I do and they're working for me, and I just wanted to come on and just share with you guys and just let you know, like, you can get some big benefits by maximizing the efforts while you are taking the collagen peptides. So take it from me, I'm telling you, it's working, it works. I want you to be the best you can be. Look the way you want to look and feel the way you want to feel. So I'm feeling good, and these are the things that I'm doing to make me feel good, so I'm sharing them with you. I hope you got something out of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone that you feel that the information would be very helpful to them, okay? I also want you to leave me a comment below, okay? Tell me how you liked the video. Tell me if you learned something from the video. I also want to know if you have added some extra things while you're taking the collagen peptide. I want to know what you're doing. I want to know what you're doing. Let's share it in the community. Let's all come together, share the good news in the community so we can all be the best we can be and look the best that we can look. And also remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Alright you guys, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!